So the first mod that I put on is technically the case. So this is the J Saux case or whatever. It's pretty handy. It's nice, you know, firm enough shell. It has, you know, nice enough grips here, and it has a good kickstand here, so you can put it down like that. And it also has this thing here, which you can like put in a battery or something, the external power bank or external NVMe, then plug it in here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, it leaves, you know, the room for ventilation. It has, you know, the kind of button covers and stuff like that for all the stuff. So apart from the case, the second kind of protection is going to be this screen protector. So let me get that open here. So we'll probably need to take off the case, but we'll see, because it does come with two screen protectors here, and it comes with this shell. And yeah, so yeah, we'll need to take off the case. So this is just to help you put it on. So yeah, and then that's it. Oh yeah, they also have these things here. So to wipe off the screen, and probably some alcohol pads as well. What the heck is this? Maybe this is to get the air bubbles out. Interesting. Yeah, I'm surprised there's no alcohol pads or anything like that. That's weird. Maybe they're in here. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. I thought this was, you know, the wipe. This is actually packets. So yeah, pretty cool packets. So yeah. We opened it. Yeah, okay, so yeah, here we go. We have all the alcohol wipes and stuff like that. That's to the side. We have a dust absorber. Alright, so this is like fairly similar to the mobile screen protectors that you get. Then you get the wet cloth, and then the dry cloth here. Not sure what this is. It's probably to get the air bubbles out, but it doesn't say. Jesus. Big instruction full of nothing, so you can throw that away. So your first step is first we gotta get this case off. Now it did take me a bit of attempts to get this case on, because it does fit, you know, quite nicely, so it is going to be quite hard to get it out. But we'll just give it a try here. Okay, there we go. Nice, got it out. So yeah, not too bad. Then obviously this thing will clip on like this, and then you control the Steam Deck in your bag, and it'll protect the joysticks, and it'll protect the triggers here as well. So that's pretty good. Now first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my own kind of wipes to first wipe the screen. So I have microfiber cloth here, and I have a syringe here with alcohol. So I'm gonna put this down here a little bit like this. Then I'm gonna use the fiber cloth. Alright. So now we should be able to put this on here. So it just clips on like this very easily. And then what we do is we grab one of these. Then we remove this bit, because this bit is actually the proper glass. Remove it all. Then we try to slide it on here. So this would be kind of just to align it like this. And I suppose just drop it down. Like that. Remove this thing. And then use this thing. Well, we'll actually wait for it to settle. So you can probably see it going across here. Wait for it to settle by itself. Okay. Yes, I don't know. Oh yeah, you can actually see that very well on the camera. Yeah. So yeah, we'll wait a bit until it's done fusing with the glass. It's actually pretty good. My phone screen protectors that I buy from AliExpress, they don't go on this well actually. This is the best one ever. I might not even have to touch anything. Wow. I'm actually surprised. Okay, so there are some spots, like here, that we'll just have to kind of massage out of the way. Okay, so those were a bit stubborn, but I did manage to get them out. So what I ended up doing was I lifted up the glass a little bit until it reached the area. And then gently, while I was lifting the glass down, I just kind of pushed the problematic area. And it, you know, if you look at it now, it went on perfectly pretty much. There's like a bit of it's a little bit lifted on the corners now, but I think that's all right. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It feels pretty much the same as the screen underneath. And yeah, it shouldn't interfere with the case. Because there is, you know, the lip, like this thing covers exactly the screen area, and the case doesn't. It kind of goes, you know, sort of on top of the screen area, so it'll be fine with the case. So that's good. So yeah, that's mod number 1 complete.